Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you another special recipe for wedding cake without fruit. Very simple and a yummy recipe you will enjoy. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video, so that any day I drop any new video you will get an alert. Progressive Cakes and Nourishment have more than 200 and something videos, cake videos, small chops and pastries just for you. You can feel free to check out other videos on my channel. Let's get started. Ingredients for this cake: you need your 1.4 kgs of flour, you need 1 crate of eggs, that's 30 pieces. You need your dark vanilla flavor, 3 tablespoons, black charcoal, 5 tablespoons. You need your nutmeg, 1 full tablespoon. You need your butterscotch, 2 tablespoons. You need your condensed milk flavor, 2 tablespoons. You need your baking powder, 2.5 tablespoons. Sugar, 850, that's 850 grams. Butter, I'm using 1.250 for this, that's 1.250 for this recipe. That is 5 sachets of King's margarine. Cream the margarine a little and you pour in your sugar. Continue creaming till it's looking light and fluffy. At least if it's looking pale, you can continue your other mixing. If you have mixer, please feel free to use it. I normally use my bowl and pestle, so that if you don't have mixer, you can easily bake your cake. You can see our margarine and sugar is looking pale and light. Now add your baking powder. We're adding 2.5 tablespoons of baking powder to our flour, and you take your time and sieve it together. Take your time and whisk your egg till it's looking foamy. And you start adding your flavors. I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of vanilla flavors. My butterscotch. Two tablespoons. That's milk, the condensed milk flavor. 2 tablespoons. I'll add my black charcoal. This is an amazing flavor for wedding cake. It takes your cake to another level. I'll be adding 5 tablespoons. And you take your time to combine them together. Now it's time to mix a little of the dry ingredients, a little of the wet ingredients. You add a little of this and a little of that. We did not add any brownie, just only the black charcoal that darkens the cake. Seriously, the cake of this cake will be so amazing. With your butterscotch, black charcoal, nutmeg and vanilla flavor, your wedding cake is good to go. But today I will not be adding alcohol because this is like a sharp cake. Before you start combining the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients, make sure you on your oven. Start preheating your oven so that it will be hot before you finish the mixture. Now add your nutmeg, mixed together very well. Grease your pan with margarine and you dust it with flour. This wedding cake recipe, I'll be presenting it on a birthday. So if you're using it for a wedding cake, please add your alcohol so that the cake would last long. So after putting in your cake batter, you tap the pan on the table to close up air bubbles. Take it straight to your oven and you bake for 14 minutes before you start shaking. Very important, so that your cake will not sink. Finally, our cake is ready. You can see how beautiful they are, shining. This cake is looking so beautiful and nice. Wow, looking so beautiful. You can see very soft. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? Join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, and also click on all notifications to be getting alert of our new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.